Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do penalty shootout or shoot penalties in FC 26. So first of all, when you're about to take the shot, keep an eye on the circle around the ball. You'll want to avoid hitting it when the circle turns red. Instead, try to time your shot when it's green. The smaller the green circle, the better your accuracy will be. To shoot, press B on Xbox and circle on PlayStation. You can also aim your shot using the left analog stick. Move it in the direction you wanna shoot. For example, push it left to aim left or right to aim right. Now there are two special types of penalty shots you can try. The first one is finish shot. To do that, hold R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox while shooting. The second one is the chip shot, also known as panenka. For this, hold L1 on PlayStation or LB on Xbox and then take your shot. And yeah, that's how you can control your penalties and add some style to your finishes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.